What are the types of emulsion? Two liquids mixed can form different types of emulsion. For example, oil and water can form an oil in water emulsion, where the oil droplets are dispersed in water, or they can form a water in oil emulsion with the water dispersed in oil. Water dispersed in oil or oil dispersed in water. வாட்டரில் ஆயிலில் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறது, அதுபோல் ஆயிலில் வாட்டரை மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுன்னு ஒரு டூ டைப்ஸ் இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், வாட் ஆர் த யூசஸ் ஆஃப் எமோல்ஷன்? Emulsion find wide application in food processing, pharmaceutical, metallurgy and many other important industries. Next one, what are the characteristics of pure solvent, or list out the characteristics of pure substances. First point, they made up of only one kind of atom or molecule. This is pure substance. The ratio of the components of a pure substance is fixed. The ratio of the components are fixed. They have characteristic set of properties, physical properties like boiling point, melting point, density, etc. are fixed. Such properties will vary with the proportion of the constituent present in the mixture. It has some composition throughout. It is homogeneous in nature. Next one, list out the characteristics of mixtures. The constituent of mixtures are loosely held together without any chemical forces between the constituent, and in such a case of the constituent retain their individual properties. A mixture can be prepared by mixing the constituent in any proportion. It is called mixtures do not have any fixed amount of its constituent. Formation of mixture does not involve any exchange of energy. Mixture do not have any characteristic set of properties, physical properties of mixtures like boiling point, melting point, etc. They are not fixed. Such properties will vary with the proportion of constituent present in the mixture. Components of mixture can be separated by physical method. Next one, that is to differentiate between mixture and compound, already studied. And listen. Next one, why the whole milk is white? Milk is white because it reflects all wavelength of visible light. The mixture of reflected color produces white light. The reason for this is due to the chemical composition of milk and the size of the particles contained within it. Why ocean is blue? Ocean looks blue because red, orange and yellow long wavelength of light are absorbed more strongly by water than it blue. So when white light from the sun enter the ocean, it is mostly the blue that gets returned. Some reason the sky is blue. Why sun look yellow when it is really not? Our sun is actually white, mixture of all wavelengths of visible spectrum. If we see it from our space or high altitude airplanes, Our atmosphere scatters shorter to bigger wavelength color from sunlight when white light travels through it. During day, it scatters violet and blue color, leaving yellowish sunlight. The reason why sky is blue and sunlight is yellow. During morning and evening, the sun appears reddish because light rays need to travel longer distance in atmosphere, which causes scattering of yellow light too. Dear students, this lesson almost over. Today's homework: what are the types of emulsion? What are the uses of emulsion? What are the characteristics of pure substances? List out the characteristics of mixture. Table to differentiate between mixture and compounds. Why whole milk is white? Why ocean is blue? Why sun looks yellow when it is really not? Study well and write the test and also the homework. Thank you. We will see the next class.